JTech again with another one of my reviews on products like this one. This is a 6-port USB hub, and it's got SD and TF card reader, and it's really good. It's kind of like a docking system, if you want to call that. I mean, you know, you can use it as a docking system if you want. I mean, I have my Surface over here, and I do not have a docking system for it. So, docking station, as you want to call it, I don't have that. So, this is a great product. I saw this. It was cheap on Amazon, and I immediately bought it. Let me show you what's inside the box really quick. Alright, so it comes with a couple of things in there. This is the actual device. I'm going to be working with one hand, so bear with me here. It looks great. As you can see, it's got 6 of the USB ports over here, and I mean, my Surface only has 1, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right over there. It only has 1 port, and I mean, if that's occupied, I gotta wait for one thing to finish in order for me to do the other thing. That requires a USB insert, and this sort of device is actually very handy. So I could just plug this in my Surface Pro 4, and I can do, you know, I can use 6 other USB devices. I don't know, it could be like a USB memory thing, or if you want to like upload photos from your phone, you can plug that in here. Or if you want to have your phone charging, I mean, you name it, anything that requires a USB, I mean, this is really handy. And here are the camera, the SD slots over here. The bottom one is for, I believe it's for like your camera, and the top one is probably for your phone. So those are like the SD card slots, and it also comes with this DC 5 voltage outlet, and the charger. I don't know if it's a charger or I don't know if you got to keep it plugged in, but that's what it is. I guess you gotta have it charging. So I don't know. I actually don't know what that is. So I mean, I'm gonna figure it out as a device. But I really like it because I can do multiple things at once now, and it's great to have. Yeah. So there it is. That's one of my other videos on you know, doing a review, and I recommend it. If you know, there's got to be more products, but this one is kind of cheap, and I kind of like the look of it. You know, it could just sit right next to my Surface and, you know, look cool or something. I don't know. So give me a thumbs up if you guys like it, and just want to say that if you guys are looking for stuff like this, definitely recommend you buy this. You are gonna love it, and it's worth it. I don't have any complaints for it, and I will enjoy every bit of it. So, yep. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, comment below. Ask me anything you have, and I will be doing more reviews on more electronics and gadgets. So thank you. Bye bye.